Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. How are we all doing? I hope all is well with you. Happy weekend to you. So I am here again just to react on a post made by Dr. Agie. Dr. Agie is somebody that many of you know. She's not the new person to introduce for me to start introducing or talking about her profile and everything. She's someone that everybody know about. So she made a post, not really a post, she shared a video of Obinna Uzoaga, and actually I am disappointed because I don't think she should associate herself with Obinna Uzoaga. But everybody have their his or her own opinion. So I think she has made her choice by sharing this kind of post from Obinna Uzoaga, who have decided to attack everyone, and the insult is so irritating. We are going to go through the post. Please, before then, like the video and share it. Let me know what you think about it. Subscribe to the channel. My voice is not as it used to be, so permit me to use it the way it is. All right. Maybe I'm sure you can hear me anyway. I'm sure you cannot complain that you cannot hear me. So having said that, let's go straight to the program that brought us here. Like I said, this is a post, as you can see it here, from Princess Agie. That is Dr. Agie. Today's date, Saturday, January 17, 2026, by Mars David Obinna Uzoaga, the writer and analyst. Anyway, let's continue. Published January 17, 2026, thousands of Biafrans are on social media every single day calling out Ngozi Oraveze for her treacherous and deeply destructive actions on both X and YouTube. Large numbers of people are openly exposing and carefully analyzing how she has brazenly dismantled Simon's legacies. Yet she has never once responded to them. She has never bothered to counter any of the serious allegations being leveled against her. I mean, am I not also on social media? Am I missing something because I don't know what allegation are you talking about? What allegation you want to you see? Oh my goodness. You want her to react or respond on which one? Which of the arguments? That she's a Fulani woman, or that she's from Jigawa State, or that she's funding and sponsoring Northerners, or I mean, which of the allegations? Some of this thing you call the allegation is quite funny because every sensible human being understands that this you're talking about does not exist. So you may expect her, or you can expect her to start talking about those things if that thing actually matter. Imagine you that is talking now. Somebody said that you somehow you are one of the Boko Haram member. Something that many people can, even your enemy will know that is not true. And somebody else is using that as an allegation. It doesn't make any sense to me. He said this same vindictive woman, however, never misses an opportunity to complain about me in her fast in her fast fading USB cabinet convene. Time and again she crops out my articles, jumps into the circles and wailed dramatically like a baby in solid diaper. You know, you can frame anything just to justify your action. We know how this kind of thing work. This is not the first time we are hearing this kind of thing. So anybody that is not seeing what you are saying, that you are just being confused, exposing yourself, and you're somehow, I don't want to insult you, but you are insulting yourself. You know, that's why I said I'm disappointed that somebody at the level of Dr. Agie sharing this kind of junk, lies and lies after lies, claiming what you are not. He said, why don't you address the others? Ngozi, scroll through social media and you will see that 98% of the credible Biafran media survey voices who once genuinely supported you back, who genuinely supported you back when your mind was still clear, have long since walked away. All these left now are content creators like that of functionally unleaded clan Kenena TV, who openly made it known that he is never a Biafran agitator, neither belong to Simon nor Kano. Rather, he is a content creator, always ready to set up his monetized YouTube camera and show the world just how wrapped his mindset is. Madam USB, why always panicked whenever I expose you? Now, when you say that those who left now are content creators, with all this your grammar, you don't know the meaning of content creation. With all this your grammar, you don't know what it means to create a content. Do you see yourself as a freedom fighter? Genuinely, do you see yourself as a freedom fighter? I'm not here to defend Kenena. Kenena, is well granted to defend himself. That if he Kenena hear this kind of thing from you, he will respond to you sharply without wasting time. So I cannot. I'm not here to defend Kenena or anything. But I believe when you say content creator, you are talking about. You are also referring to me because I said I'm a content creator, and Kenena said only two of us said that we are content creator. I've not seen another person. Only two of us. So when you say that those who left, honestly, you are including me. But I'm not here to defend myself either. But I have to expose the lies and how senseless some of you can be. Do you know that for you to be a freedom fighter, you don't need to start begging, demanding people to crying out to give you this and give that publicly? And I'm not saying we should not help you. I'm not saying that you asking for help is wrong. No, if you ask for help, it's good. But you don't have what it takes to refer yourself as a freedom fighter. Minus money, will you do what? Will you even talk about Biafra? Minus money, will you talk about Biafra? Genuine people and freedom fighters that had their voice and that golden voice that was supporting USB government and serious, that to you now that I don't know where to be found. Maybe I would prefer you to mention names. If you can mention them, honestly, I will cherish it. Name of those ones that you are glorifying. That does not mean that they have not once fought for Biafra freedom or support Biafra freedom. That you say that, oh, I am not a content creator, I'm a freedom fighter. 99.9% of you are not even fighting for freedom. Do you know what it means to fight for freedom? You will not be gossiping. Have you seen Mason Khan engaging his critics like you are engaging now? Right? Have you seen Mason Khan, picking on somebody every now and then with that? If people pick on him, he responds when he needs to be. Like when he feels like I can respond now. When there's need to do that, he will come out and respond. We were here now when he talked to when Obinna was, picking on American. When Uchemefo picked on him, Barsteman Mesu picked on him, Tony Nade picked on him. He from sometimes he will come out and just respond to them with a short minute and forge ahead because the tasks ahead, he understood it very well. He's focusing on that. Unlike you said that you're a freedom fighter. I don't want to start calling other names, but you guys are coming as in such a manner that people will begin to use guys to run full program. You are the freedom fighter. You are the only one now that know how to fight freedom. You know how to fight for freedom. You represent freedom. Ijaka get to also. And anybody Jaka to we also know the last still. That is all the fact. You guys criticize you so let me tell you, if you actually mean good, if you are genuine, the least person that you will side now is why you such. Few days ago you were there. That you want to apologize. And in the midst of that your apology, you started asking for money. Like I said, I'm not against anyone asking for money. You can ask for money. You can request for help. It's okay. It is better than to steal. That was why when some fallback group was mocking Remedios that he was asking for help, it's still on my I still have it on my S. Even Remedios retweeting that my tweet. Remedios retweeted it. I saw it. What did I say? If you are blaming Remedios for asking for help, you are trying to mock him, you must be a stupid person. That's why I'm not mocking you. It is better to steal. But you cannot be saying what you're saying and at the same time going to why social platform to beg. You are begging for help. The same way social that is speaking on Dr. Agie every now and then insulted her, insulting Ugo for something, because I believe that you and Ugo is a good friend. That's why I'm surprised that Dr. Agie is also sharing this kind of post. Maybe she can share other posts, but not this one. Because this one is just like pure saga. Pure saga. And you are doing it deliberately to gladden the heart of those that maybe that they think that's gonna be of good help. Which I don't know that your help, that's help that you want what it means. I'm not saying you should not ask for help. It is better to ask for help than to steal. Okay? But you picking on other media, other content creators like me, I said it down with that number. I'm not a fighter for freedom. I'm a content creator. I'm not agitating. You start saying you're agitated. What are you doing then? But sometimes some of you guys, say something that people cannot just ignore, Why is it always me, you said? The answer is simple and obvious. It's simple and obvious. You are genuinely terrified of my writing. You know I don't write to entertain or play games. You are not glorifying yourself. Honestly, what you are writing, there's nothing different between you. If somebody can put your write-up in words, it is just a replicant of why it's not just broadcast. Attack without any base. Jumping from pillar to pole. Every now and then, your friend is here. Your colleague is there. Oh, you assigned this one. You can just maintain your lane. Remedios appear to be more holy and more sensible than you. My articles carry a heat that can unveil your entire circus, and you are afraid of that fire. Hope you remember very well how unstoppable I was when I supported you back when I still believe you could be trusted. I was among the top 3 Biafran media activists, consistently promoting you, convinced you would build on a solid foundation led by Mazin Namodekan and PM Samonepa. That is how Mazin Akwa and Sonapra used to sound. Today, Mazin, that PM now is now mistake. So you guys cannot, people cannot, inconsistency is what you guys are known for. You can continue with that thing that you claim that you know. Just a little touch, you fall aside, and you're a freedom fighter. You fall away. He said, the moment it became clear you had sold out and started trampling on everything someone suffered to establish, I withdraw my support without hesitation. And with the same energy I once used to lift you up, I am now using it to want every Biafran to stay far away from you. Why don't you use it? Since you can lift her up, So you are now using the same energy to lift her down. Why Isocha said the same thing. I am the one that I will brought you up, I will bring you down. How market? Who is not down? You must. I'm not saying you should support anything that you don't like. It's entirely your business. It's entirely your right that you don't want to support USB government, or you don't have issue with COS, or you don't have issue with other Biafrans. Because for you to say content creators and you mentioned Kenena and all that, like I said, I know where you're going and I know who you are referring to. But current concern, the end justify the means. Remember how you supported who? Started with I don't know who after declaration because I don't know much about you. But last time I checked, you were supporting US government, and you started supporting CRC, which I said it the way we go was talking. He sounds like CRC member. Now we are not going back to people that fall to autopilot. What is the difference between you, somebody who fall back, and those who fall not only back, they don't fall back to breaking, and they bounce back to autopilot. And for you to appear on a social platform, that's where you are. Confuse people. What I still don't understand is why she keep forcefully accusing Dr. Princess Agie of sponsoring malicious attack against her. I can barely remember the last time I even spoke with Dr. Agie. We worked together under ITPC media, but the day she discovered the deception, she walked away quietly. She has no attacked. She has not attacked you since. Yeah. But sharing this video, what do you think? What do you make of it? This sharing this your post now? What do you have to say about it? Yet every so often, Ngozi drags her names into the mud, claiming she is behind some grand conspiracy. Thank God that you know that you are in conspiracy. You yourself, you are a product of conspiracy, and you know you're executing that assignment. Dr. Agie may not be behind your write-up. Dr. Agie may not be. I cannot tell you that, oh, she is, no, because I don't have evidence. But I have issue with the way she shared this particular thing. If I were in her position, I would not even share this nonsense that you are writing here. Because anybody that can think deep may read a lot of meaning into this thing that you did. Like I said, I'm not here to talk about it. I would just want to talk about your post, okay, shallowly. Let's just talk about it. Let's just maintain the surface. But if you have to go deep, it may not look well. It may not look well. I hate to talk about this kind of thing. All of you that once supported the USB government, I openly and privately begged everybody that I can reach out to, do not go this way you guys are going. Because I already know what it will become. Only those who don't understand, who may not remember how other people ended up, they are the one that chose to do the. What do you think that you will write as you are? With which finger, please? What do you think that you will write now that will actually matter? Next thing you go, you guys don't want to talk about Ngozi because you guys you are worshiping her so that she will not come after you. I don't understand. Mention one place that she have come after. One, apart from what, like you said, conspiracy. What exactly are you so afraid of when it comes to her? What exactly are you so afraid when it comes to her? Afraid of? Anyway, hold on. When I was defending you back then, was I also being sponsored? Was I also being sponsored? Defending what is truth is different from defending conspiracy, lie, cooked up story. They are not the same. I have never for one spoke with PM one-on-one. I have not been in contact with him one-on-one, but PM followed my two platform. He used to share my videos. But for the fact that I'm saying what I'm saying, because I know that that is true. That doesn't mean that you're not paying, somebody will pay me. For you to be paid, that means you are crossing the boundary. You are doing a extraordinary job. Something that is not normal, you are trying to do it as if not. You are trying to present it as if it's normal. That become an issue. I don't like to boast about how long I have been in this struggle, but if we are continuing, if you are continuing years, I was already active in the Biafra media space long before Ngozi ever had long before Ngozi ever had of the agitation or know who Mas Namonekano was. You even know you were there before. You know Igbo land before her. You know Igbo land before her because you are her senior. And yes, you don't want to boast. You see, I told you. People, I'm just trying to analyze it. You see, I'm very, very kind. I don't want to go deeper. If I go deeper, I can go. That is just a fact. You guys should just respect yourself. Like I said, this is not, I'm not even defending CS here, but you have to defend the truth. As simple as that. I was already active in this Biafran media space long before Ngozi ever heard of the agitation or know who Mazen Mekan was. Many of you only slipped in after our leader was betrayed by the DOS, abducted, tortured, and extraordinarily renditioned from Kenya. Simon made the mistake of thinking he could work with people like you. That means you are here before Simon. Since it's about who, you see, anybody that always talk about, I have been here before this. Do you know who I am? I have been here. That's how they copy COVID-19 agitation. And you are part of them. For you to pick up PCS and use the same line that you have been here before her, before she even heard anything about agitation, let alone even getting involved. You are in the same class with those who say PM is a COVID-19 agitator. You see it now. And the same you will turn to open your mouth and start condemning DOS. What is the difference between you and DOS? DOS fought PM, fought him with everything, writing this kind of thing you are writing, making videos. For the same reason that you are attacking the USB government and CS, is the same reason they attacked PM. You see where I have issue with some of you, that if you resign or you are done, you go peacefully. People will respect you, accord you respect that you deserve. Because the Biafran movement is not tied on your surname. It's not tied there. But you guys always want to, notice me. You do know who I am, a homie. I am this, I am that. Despite everything you are not working with under Simon Ekpa, who was not here for a very long time. He just joined, and he's the one that introduced the template that you guys are not living in. So if who joined before and who joined yesterday, who have been here like Methuselah agitators, you are here before Adam. What have you done? What have you achieved? If the template and the mandate must be followed by people who have been here all this while, show us your mandate before PM joined. Maybe you even know more, maybe you know about the freedom even better than Master Namonekane himself. He says, I made a mistake of thinking he could work with people like you. You that have worked with him, why did he choose those ones and jump you? Don't you think that something is there? What he did not realize was that you came with a complete different agenda. Stop dragging Dr. Agie into this. Face me directly. Like I said, I can never, if I begin to analyze all those things, this one, and I cannot say anything about it. Let me jump and pass. Okay? Waiting for you to continue your madness. I don't communicate with her anymore. Our last contact was the day she honorably resigned and chose to mind her own business. And let's be clear, you did not sack me. I walked away on my own, which is good. But you are behaving like somebody who did not walk away. You see the problem? You are behaving like somebody who did not even walk away. If truly you walked away, then tell us genuinely why the attack. Why are you turning back from what you walked away? Like now, you left because you despise everything going on there, and now you are turning back to PP to know what is going there. That means you did not actually left on your own. Maybe somebody forced you out. Maybe. Because if I were you, if I abandon something, I don't need to go back to my favorite. Because what I say, hear this clearly. One good daddy. Common respect, no. Because what I say, hear this clearly. As long as I remain active in this space, I will not allow you to keep deceiving Biafrans. You know, when you say deceiving Biafrans, that means there's something you know that Biafrans don't know. I am here to see this is your write-up. You know Simon has already cut off all communication with you and Ogechukwu Nkere. A man that is saying this is the same person that asking for help. Oh. So how did you know when you are not even in there, when you are not there? You see, you mentioned conspiracy. You see your write-up and your base, you are basing your argument and your statement based on conspiracy theory. You lied about filing an appeal when nothing of the sort happened. Evidence. Just bring the evidence, bring the proof. A confused human being. You are with fallback Republic, fallback, not fallback, for what I call them. Those of them that are in autopilot fallback, and you are also in CRC and they say BGC or BG, I don't know what they call themselves, or GV, whatever. Remember that bank. You destroyed our defense structure and replaced our bravest warriors with lies of caterpillar and kill and bury. People now implicated in the tiger bears extrajudiciary execution and organ harvesting of Imo youth. As if they were not doing it before when PM was here. Is it you say somebody is lying, but you are lying, your own lie can be seen, on every area, on every angle. Anywhere you turn, you will see that you're lying. Are they harvesting organ? I believe so. When did they start? Ask yourself this question. When did they start? You and your USB shenanigans can try to broke shame me all you want. You and your USB shenanigan can try to shame me all you want. I am glad I am not sponsored by anyone. For you to keep on emphasizing on this show that you are being sponsored. That's just the fact. For you to keep on repeating this over shows that you are being sponsored. My only sponsor is the truth, Akoko. All you say here, there's no truth. Oh. And the truth is that you are a traitor. Uzoaga, you have the platform, you have people that can expose and share your video. Why don't you bring out this evidence? Like somebody said that you go to and said that this 2026 that is going to go hard and expose unexposable. Look, bring it on. I want us to know what you know so we can distance ourselves from her. I rather be broken than selling my soul like you did. Okay, and this is his video, his picture on why he's such a platform. This is why I said people need to learn how to respect themselves. Position are temporary, rank are title, and ranks and titles are limited, but the way you treat people will always be remembered, even in your grave. This is his as tiny as this picture appears, because I don't need to expand anything. This is Uzoaga when he appeared on Why You Social platform. Okay. apologizing to why Isocha and still befriending Ugo 247 and talking about Dr. Agie as if both of you are good friends. But the question is, why Isocha? Ask why Isocha, who is Dr. Agie? You see how she will insult Dr. Agie for no just reason. Then ask the why Isocha, who is Ugo 247? You see how she will insult Ugo 247. And now you are not a friend of why Isocha. Powered by Sia. Okay, this is message. People are writing on this and all that. And this is, I can see cabinet deputies. Cabinet deputies. Is this sound like a group of cabinet members, USB cabinet members, sharing conversation going on in their cabinet meeting to Obinna Uzoaga or Dr. Agie or Ugo, I don't know, because I can see here that the people, this picture and these messages that I'm just flashing on your screen now, even though it's tiny, is being shared in the group of USB government, and some people in the USB government are still leaking information. That's all that's what I can see from this. They are still leaking information, my people, and it is laughable, very, very laughable and shocking. Anyway, tell me what to think about all of discussed so far. I want to know your take. I want to know what you think. I want to know your stand on what we just go through now. All these posts, all this write-up, and with what Obinna said, what do you think? What do you think? Do you have chance to see the comment? Portable spam. Okay. This post is unavailable. Why? Anyway, I wanted to check the comment, but I think maybe the post at the moment is being locked. I don't know. Please make sure you like the video. Let me know what you think about everything on the comment section. God bless you and take care of yourself. Bye bye for now.